Hello and welcome everyone. In today's video I will show you how to fix iPhone cellular data not working. So to solve this there is multiple steps that we should do together and go step by step to fix that error for you. So the first thing that you should do is to be sure that the cellular data is turned on, and to do that you have to go to settings. After that go to cellular and go to the first option, cellular data, and be sure that the cellular data is not set to off, and also be sure that you are choosing the right SIM card or eSIM card that have the cellular data on it. If this is good, the second thing that you should do is to turn airplane mode on and off to restart your iPhone to reconnect to the mobile network. So you have to click on the airplane mode, leave it for 10 to 15 seconds, and after that turn it off again, so your phone will reconnect to the mobile network. The third thing that you should do is to check your SIM or eSIM line and be sure that your SIM card is actually working. And to do that, we go back to cellular and go back to cellular data and check if everything is going and working well here. The next thing that you should do is to restart your iPhone. Restart it and leave it closed for 2 or 3 minutes and open it again, because this can fix temporary carrier or network registration problem. So just like I told you, leave it closed for 2 or 3 minutes and open it again. The next thing that you should do is to check your data plan and signal. So be sure that your plan, for example, in Tunisia, we have this, the application of your carrier, and be sure that you already have internet on your SIM card, because sometimes your data plan or something like that and you don't notice that, and sometimes that in that case, of course, the internet will not work on your phone, and the cellular data will not work. Another thing that you can do, and it's the last option if all those options are not working, you have to reset network settings. And to do that, you have to go to settings, go to general, go to the last option, transfer or reset iPhone, go to reset and choose the second option, reset network settings. And don't be afraid, this will not delete any picture or any video from your phone. It will just, let's say, format the network settings of your phone. It will disconnect you from everything, and after that you have to connect again. And usually this is the last option, and usually if the other options didn't work for you, this option will work for you. And if this option also is not working for you, in that case, I think it's better that you call your eSIM or SIM card provider and tell them about the problem, because sometimes the problem may be related to the company that gave you the SIM card directly. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like this video, and see you in the next one.